Hello, this is me here in Vietnam, in Hanoi, and this is floating house. I'm gonna experience the daily living in this family that received me. I've been here 2 times, this is my 3rd time. They show me a high level of generosity when I came here. They gave me some crackers, I spent time with them, and the husband doesn't hear and the wife can't see, but they are very romantic. They love each other. They are over 70 years old, close to 80s, I think. But I'm gonna experience their life. I'm gonna help them with some chores because it's very hard for them to do some stuff at home. As well, who I'm gonna surprise. This guy is looking for a place to live, but I'm gonna help, and especially to help with the house, to make sure that he's having a good sleep, even though the tiny house he built by himself, but he still needs help. He still needs something. So I'm gonna go to the Hanoi downtown, and I'm gonna help finding some mattress, and also bring them back and make his bed, and also to help leveling up this area here, which is not really good for him.
What made me laugh was how people are seeing me carrying a mattress and everyone wanna take picture. Like, think, what is that guy doing? Because it's unique. I didn't see anybody doing this, but I'm doing it.